The Delbeke Harbor is going to be a unique offering. Never before do you really have an office, a residential building, and a wellness club integrated into one experience. And from the moment that people go to their homes or get to work, they're going to have a wellness experience as part of their lives. I got to meet Kane and Rebecca and Sarah. The three of them are really driven to do the right thing. And really, for me, it was very important to collaborate with people that are genuine and doing things that are so meaningful.
We created The Well to make wellness part of your everyday. Whether it's kicking off a meditation practice or tackling a chronic health issue, we're here to guide you whatever your path may be. We integrate modern medicine and ancient healing, focusing on whole person care.
So when you walk into The Well, you're embraced by very purposeful energy, light, sound, water features, all with your sense of well-being in mind.
When we first sat down with Meyer Davis and with Terra, we really quickly set a goal for ourselves of we're going to design a space and a place that really puts wellness at the center of all aspects of life, from where you live, to where you work, to where you play.
Bay Harbor is a very quiet, bespoke neighborhood, and The Well is all about trying to really have people connect with their soul and their health and their wellness.
In designing The Well, we took inspiration from the natural beauty of Bay Harbor Islands, so the materials and textures that we use embody the ethos of The Well as a brand. Walking through the full experience, as you arrive in the lobby, you immediately have a sense of ancient materials, stone, breeze block, wood, natural things that ground the space. So it begins that transformation from the outside world to the inner world of The Well.
I think what's truly special about living at the Delbeke Harbor is you get all the benefits of living at a full-service, luxury hotel development with all the privacy and community connections of living in a small boutique condo development.
At The Well, we address your physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of your well-being to help you feel your best. And now with the Well Bay Harbor Islands, that extends to your home.
We pushed ourselves to create a truly world-class destination. And with Terra and Meyer Davis, the three of us coming together has created something that's truly special and truly unforgettable.
I could not be more excited about this next phase for The Well. For us to be able to grow into this new market and create spaces that help people on their journey is an actual dream come true.